Agnes Olivia Kewa with student number 24130420043, and this is my advanced speaking assignment given by Miss Dian as a requirement for the midterm test. Today, I will talk about two topics based on the given questions. First, I would like to describe a book that I really enjoyed reading. The title of the book is The Little Prince, and it was written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. And this book is a fiction story, and it tells the story of a little boy called the Little Prince, and who travels from one planet to another. And during his journey, he meets different people with different personalities. And for example, he meets a king who wants to control everything, and a businessman who only cares about numbers, and other unique characters. And from these characters, we can learn many lessons about life. And this book shows that adults sometimes focus too much on things like money, power, and status, and they often forget about simple but important things like love, friendship, and happiness. And the story is simple, but the meaning is very deep. I really enjoyed this book because it gives many life lessons, and it teaches us to see things not only with our eyes but also with our heart. And it also teaches us about friendship, love, and responsibility. And one idea that I really like from this book is that the most important things in life cannot always be seen. And after reading this book, I feel more grateful for what I have. And I also try to appreciate small things in my life, like spending time with my family and friends. And in my opinion, this book is not only for children but also for teenagers and adults. And because everyone can learn something from this story, that is why I really enjoyed reading The Little Prince. And now I would like to talk about someone who influenced me when I was a child. The person is my father. I met him since I was born, and I grew up with him. And he is a farmer, and he is a very hardworking person. When I was a child, I often spent time with my father, and we did simple things together, like talking at home and sharing stories, or just spending time as a family. And even though the moments were simple, they were very meaningful for me. And from my father, I learned many important values. He taught me to be strong, patient, and responsible. And I always saw him working hard every day, even when he was tired. And he never complained and always tried his best for our family. And from that, I learned that if we want to achieve something in life, we must work hard and never give up. And my father also taught me to stay calm when I'm facing problems, and to always think positively. And he influenced me not only by his words but also by his actions. He taught me how to be a good person in real life. Because of him, I try to be better every day. I try to be stronger, more patient, and more responsible in everything I do. And he is one of the most important people in my life, and I feel very grateful to have him. So that's all about my story about my father, and from the book A Little Prince, I learned about life, love, and friendship. And from my father, I learned about hard work, passion, and responsibility. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching.